Hi, I'm Kylie Padilla and I pass this barley bottle sa isang taong nagpapasaya at nagpapangiti sa ating lahat.
I pass this barley bottle sa isang kasama kong magpasaya simula aming pagkabata.
Yo! Thanks, Kuya. Okay, guys, I pass this JC Organic barley bottle to the very, very beautiful Miss Earth Philippines 2020.
I passed this barley bottle to somebody very charismatic, sharp. He helps a lot of people and idol ko to sa kanyang fashion sense.
Guys, I passed this JC Organic barley bottle to the co-captain of our ship and to the person who always motivates us every single day.
I pass this JC Organic Barley to those people who want to be healthy.